Hi everybody, it's CJ. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, you guessed it, I'm doing another pearl cell pour. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll be back with you at the end. I'm laying down my base coat, which is my cloud mix, and I am going to provide you with the recipe in the description box below this video. Preparing a cup for this canvas. It's a 24 by 12 inch canvas. I'm starting with quinacridone orange. I just added some deep magenta. The last is a mixture of deoxidine purple and deep magenta. Then I'm adding some bluish green that was self-mixed. And I am going to pour it on the canvas in a ring. Normally I will tilt in one direction until I see a reaction begin on the opposite end of the canvas. When I see a good reaction, it's time to lay the canvas down. You do not want to risk compromising the shape of your pearl cells.
Oh my love, you're such a fragile thing, I know. And with the winter comes the ice, the snow, but I'm here to hold. And oh my love, don't worry about the cold just yet. The trees haven't started to shed. Just feel.
Here I'm looking for areas where pearls are attempting to develop, but they look a little muddy. So I'm going into those areas with a pointed stick dipped in the pearl mix and just adding a drop of the pearl mix to clarify those areas.
when I say I'm not afraid, but I'm trying to shelter you from pain. And oh my love, the seasons come and they go, but I hope you know that I won't.
I'm very happy with this piece, and I hope you like it too. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope I see you again real soon. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.